Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add EMI option in Shopify. This allows eligible customers to divide the cost of a purchase into smaller payments instead of paying the complete amount at once. It can be especially useful for stores selling higher priced products. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Shopify dashboard. Then, you have to click on this settings icon from the left sidebar. After that, click on Payments. This is where you can view and manage the payment methods available to customers during checkout. Then, scroll down. Under the Additional Payment Provider, click on Add Provider. Then, in this search bar, you can simply search for Afterpay or Klarna if your store is based on USA, Canada, or UK. But if your store is not based on USA, Canada, or UK, then you can use the... Keep in mind that the payment providers available to you can depend on your store location, currency, business type, and account eligibility. So, I will just simply type a form and select from the search results. Then, click on the A form option from here. Then, click on this Install button. Make sure you select the correct app or provider from the search results before installing it. You can also review its pricing, permissions, supported regions, and merchant requirements on the installation page. Then, on this screen, again click on Install. After that, you have to select your country or region and then click on Submit. Choose the country where your business is legally registered, because this information may be used to determine your account eligibility and available payment features. Then, log in with your OFM merchant account. Or, if you don't have the account, can click on this New to OFM option and then create your account from here. When creating a new merchant account, you may need to provide your legal business name, address, contact information, bank details, and identity documents. Enter everything exactly as it appears on your official records to avoid verification delays. Once you have successfully connected your app account, then you have to click on this online store from the website bar. Then, click on Edit Theme. This will take you to the theme editor, where you can control how the EMI information appears on your product pages. Then, click on this homepage option from the top bar. Click on Product and select Default Product. Make sure you open the product template used by the items where you want the EMI message to appear. If your store uses multiple custom product templates, you may need to repeat the setup for each one. After that, you have to select your product information section. Then, scroll down and then click on this button, Add Block. Then, click on Apps, and from here, select AFM. Adding it as an app block allows you to display the installment information inside the product section without manually editing your theme code. And once you have set up your AFM account, it will automatically fetch the public ID and the custom price selector. But if these are empties, you can click on this Connect Dynamic Source and select the value from here. Check that the selected source is connected to the product price, so the installment message can update correctly for products with different prices. After you have configured all the things, you can move this block to the top section so that the viewers can see it easily. A good position is close to the product price or purchase buttons, because customers usually look there before deciding whether to buy. You should also preview the placement on both desktop and mobile devices. And once you do that, your EMI option is now added. And if the customer is eligible for the EMI option, they will see the EMI in their checkout page. Eligibility may depend on factors such as the customer's location, order value, selected currency, and the provider's approval process. It is a good idea to preview your product page and complete a test checkout to confirm that everything is displayed correctly. So, that is how you can add a form. This process helps you display an EMI payment option and give eligible customers more flexibility when completing their purchases. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know in the comments which Shopify payment method you would like me to cover next.